Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on organic and inorganic compounds, and this was prepared by the Disrupt Tutoring team. So let's jump in. Tabulate the differences between organic and inorganic compounds. Okay, so tabulate suggests we need to draw a table. So let's go ahead and draw our table. And because we only have two compounds that we are comparing, we're going to only have two columns. So we have organic compounds here, and then inorganic compounds over here. Okay, first thing, organic compounds have their origin in living organisms. So, origin in living organisms. Inorganic compounds do not have a living origin. Second difference is that organic compounds have a large number of carbon atoms. And inorganic compounds do not. So they do not contain carbon. And I say that generally because there are exceptions, and those exceptions are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and your cyanide compounds. And a third difference is that organic compounds are large and complex molecules. Whereas your inorganic compounds are your elements, and they are also simple molecules. So elements and simple molecules. And a final difference is that organic compounds are combustible in oxygen to form carbon dioxide. And take a guess, inorganic compounds do not burn in oxygen, so they are not combustible. Not combustible in oxygen. And there we have it. We have tabulated the differences between organic and inorganic compounds. But our table is not complete. We do need to give it a heading. So we'll give it a heading as differences between organic and inorganic compounds. And that's it. That'll give you your marks. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic video tutorials. And if you can't find the answer to any of your questions, you can send it to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.